Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to H Khan Tricks. Today I'm going to show you how to hack pro upgrades. So let's start the tutorial. Open the game Guardian and selected the Asphalt 8. Select Asphalt 8 and go to search and type 131 semicolons 5 These 4 fives is the max upgrade values, and this is the general value, and the 131 is the car code. So and search by dword. So these things are coming out, these values. So go to 131 and go to there. So there here is 131 and 5D, 5D and 5D. So these 555Ds are the max upgrades. So I'm going to unselect this, and the downward 0Ds are the max pro upgrades. So here to come 3 dash options and edit these by dword and type 5 and okay. So now go back and go to here. So you gonna see this. I hack pro upgrades. So I'm going to restart my game. So I'm going to restart that. Restart. Is it goes or not? So you have to watch this. And subscribe my channel also. And this video is sponsored by Hack World. So here we go. Yeah, the max pro upgrade is still here. So I hope you like it. If you like, please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.